beautiful people, to another video vlog. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made use of my old kinky hair, which I removed from the picture you are going to be seeing above on the screen. So after I took out that hair, I decided to make do with it again. That's because the old kinky hair is perfect for the style I want to do. So guys, without wasting any of your time, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, after combing my hair to make sure I get rid of all the tangled hair, I then decided to part my hair to my desired style. You can part your hair in any desired style of your choice. This is my own choice, and this is what I am about to show you, the outcome of the hair you saw at the beginning of this video. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. If you have subscribed before, thank you for coming back, and don't forget to share it, like this video. So guys, I went ahead and plaited my hair, and I folded it so as not to make it obvious in after everything. So I also went ahead and packed the back side of it. I like to apply cream on my rubber band before using them. That's because I do not want my hair to go with the rubber band when I'm about to lose the hair. So I went ahead and braided the back as well, and the next step is to apply my gel. So guys, before I apply my gel, I like to moisturize my hair first, and that is going to give it a perfect result. I'm gonna be using a leave-in condition. If you don't have it, you can use water as well. So the gel I'll be using in this video is Petals gel, and I also used edge control gel. That's because I like edge control a lot, and it gives me that shiny look on my hair. So I went ahead and I applied my gel thoroughly and made sure that I massage it throughout the hair so as to make the hair last longer. So guys, after applying my gel thoroughly, the next thing I did was to tie my hair using a scarf. In the description box below, you will find the list of all the things I use in making this hair. Don't forget to go check it out. So after all said and done, I'm gonna be leaving my scarf on my hair overnight. That's because I really want my hair to stick fine. And in case you are in a hurry and you don't want to leave your hair overnight, you can also use a hand dryer to blow dry your hair. So guys, I'm so very excited. This is the next morning and I want to see the result of my hair. Oh wow, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to show you slowly how I attach my kinky hair. Using a rubber band, I just went over the middle of the kinky hair, divided into two, just like you can see in the video. After putting my rubber band across it, all I did was to attach the rubber band on my own hair, as you can see in the video. It's as simple as that. And so guys, I went ahead and did the same thing to the front side of the hair. I attached a rubber band also in the middle, like you can see clearly. I think this one is clearer than the first one. So after wrapping the rubber band across the middle of the kinky, I also went ahead and put it on my head, just like I did at the back side. But this time I had to fold the front of the hair because I wanted it to cover up to the back side so it looks like it's my real hair. Just enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy it, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Not only sharing it, don't forget to try this out at home. You will love this style. What it was amazing. Like, this style gave me award. So guys, I'm going to be leaving some of the pictures I took after making this hair. I'm going to leave it on the screen here. You will see it as you keep watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.